Do I love the smell of Gadge in the morning? Inside this box, I have the Amazon Echo Studio. This is Amazon's high fidelity speaker, like a HomePod. Look, does anyone care about the Amazon Echo products? Probably not, but I have an Echo in my living room and I actually love it. It's way smarter than my HomePod is, and it will actually give you relevant answers to questions that the HomePod couldn't possibly answer. So when I found out that Amazon was releasing a high fidelity version of their Echo and it's supposed to compete with the HomePod, and it's only $200, which is technically $150 less than the HomePod right now, even though the HomePod's on sale everywhere, I just knew I had to try it. So this is gonna be my hands-on first impressions. I'm just gonna unbox this, we're gonna take a look at it, and then we're gonna boot it up, and we're gonna do a sound test, and I'm gonna do my famous review with nothing but my face. Oh, you think it's possible to communicate an entire review with just my face? Check this out. Okay, I think I've made my point. Let's dive into this and let's have a little look. The familiar blue box. Huh? Oh, interesting. It must have a downward firing woofer, which explains the open agape mouth right there. Amazon Echo Studio smart speaker with high fidelity sound and Alexa. Well, you know what? I'm not really that concerned with how well Alexa works. I know it's gonna work great. It works the same across all the Echo products. What I'm concerned about is the sound quality. This thing has 3 2-inch mid-range speakers, 1-inch tweeter, 5.25-inch woofer, and Dolby Atmos built in. And I can just tell you there's a whole lot of speaker packed in here. This box is seriously heavy. Now, interestingly enough, this is compatible with Apple Music, but also Spotify, Tidal, Audible, and Apple Music. Apple Music is available on the Echo Studio, but no other music services really play that well with the HomePod. It's just Apple Music that has the native integration, the native support. Kind of a nice unboxing experience here. There's a little bag for the speaker, which is kind of a little weird. Oh, it's like a grocery bag. Your $200 premium speaker comes in an Amazon grocery bag. I mean, it is kind of a nice grocery bag, but that is a little bit weird. Okay, really nice premium feel to it. I like the materials. I actually think this speaker looks pretty svelte, but it also looks kind of like a HomePod with the top glass portion that would normally be right there. And of course, this little area right there is a little bit interesting. Got some manuals here, and then at the bottom, yes, we have just one cable. Look at that. You have just a speaker and the cable, and that's all you need for premium grade sound these days. We're living in the future, and I'm loving every minute of it. Really nice packaging. Good job, Amazon. What can I say? I always appreciate a nice package.
That's what she said.
Little plastic stickers to get the power cable out here. Yeah, what is this, like 3 feet? I would like it to be longer for sure, maybe 4 feet, 5 feet. This means you're not gonna be able to place it very far from an outlet. This could be problematic. Let's take a look. It just came to life. Full mast NIP status has been achieved.
Ready for setup.
Okay, you heard her. Let's go to the Alexa app and let's get her set up. It's almost done setting up, but strangely, I just heard some clicking going on inside the Echo. That's the first time I've heard mechanical sounds coming from inside of a smart speaker.
While I tune your Echo to match the acoustics of this room.
We got it set up, and there's only one track that I could think of that would be appropriate to do the audio test review. Let's get this thing kicked on. I hope your face is ready for a close shave. Here comes the thunder. baby. The bass hits on this for sure. The bass was hitting me in the chest. It was hitting the table. The floor was shaking. It felt like it was well supported. It didn't sound muddy. Okay, we gotta run through one more track and let the music speak for itself here. I hope that you're ready for some steamy sensual music. Clear the room of all the kids. Here we go. Well, I gotta say this speaker sounds damn good. Better than I was expecting it to sound. I mean, you gotta think, this is a smart speaker from Amazon. It wasn't specifically made to have high fidelity music capabilities. That's what Apple was planning to do with the HomePod, but this started off as a smart speaker and then they bolted on all of the high fidelity audio as an after fact. So I wasn't expecting it to be as good as it is. It sounds phenomenal. Very crisp. It's not super shrill on the high end. It delivers complexity and texture and nuance within the track. It makes all the different parts of the track come through without melding them and mashing them all together. It gives them distinction. I had chills several times going through these tracks. My nips were at 3/4 mast for sure. But the question is this as good as the HomePod, which is smaller than this? Is it as accurate? Is it as representative as the HomePod is? That's what I'm not sure about. I mean, it does sound good, but does it sound as good as the HomePod? I think that I'm gonna have to do another video comparing these two side by side, run the same tracks through each, and let's figure out who the true high fidelity audio champion is. Let me know what you think of the audio in the comments below. Are you as impressed as I am? I have a pretty good mic here. You should be able to put your earphones on and tell me exactly what you think. That's it for now. My name's Erfon Elijah, Gadget Hunter. This has been my Amazon Echo Studio unboxing and first impressions. I'll be back with more videos real soon. That HomePod and Amazon Echo Studio video, it's coming up. So make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll be back before you know it, and I'll see you guys next time.